Good morning and welcome back to the class. In this period, now we will learn the Vice President. As you learned in previous lecture that the powers and functions of President, now we cover the Vice President. In the absence of President only, all the functions are performed by the Vice President. If President is not there, then who perform the duties of President? Vice President. That is the duty of a Vice President. The Vice President is elected by member of both the Parliament. Now, how is the election? Who elected? Both members of Parliament. Clear? So, Parliament members elected the Vice President. Then he is an Indian citizen. That is a qualification. Qualifications are written that qualifications. Same qualifications are there. Indian citizen. Indian citizen. A person must be an Indian citizen. Then only he is appointed as a Vice President. After that, he must have 35 years of age. 35 years of age is necessary to become a Vice President of India. Then he is a ex officio chairman. He is a ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. Normally, that person is appointed as a Vice President of India. Clear? Next is he preside over the session of the House. That is a function of Vice President. He is the person who preside over the session of both the houses and regulate the debates and the proceeding. He hold his office, same term is given there, term 5 years. He can remain his office for 5 years, and after 5 years again the re-elections are there, and again a person can appointed for the Vice President. Clear? He may resign from his term after the end only. Clear? He may resign. Then he can be removed from office. One procedure is there. If Vice President is not performing his duties properly, a person can be removed from his office by one resolution passed. By resolution passed by the majority of the houses of Parliament, both houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. The member of houses, when pass one resolution against the powers of Vice President, if he is not doing his duty properly, during that time he can remove from his office by the process of impeachment. Clear? Now next is the Prime Minister and the Council of Minister. After the Vice President, who perform the duties, that is a Prime Minister. So today's currently who is a Vice President? That is Venkaiah Naidu. Clear? Now we will learn about the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister and his Council. Council of Ministers. Clear? The leader of the political party or parties who securing majority votes of Lok Sabha, that person is appointed as a Prime Minister. Clear? So leader of the political party who securing majority votes, that person become the Prime Minister. Clear? So Prime Minister is a person who appoint his Council of Minister. Clear? He is a person who suggests that who become the Council of Minister. All the ministers appointed by his suggestion, by the suggestion of a Prime Minister. Clear? So there are three categories of ministers are there. Three categories are ministers. One is cabinet ministers. Then another one is Minister of State, and the third one is that is Deputy Ministers. Deputy Ministers. So ministers categorized into three parts, that is Cabinet, Minister of State and Deputy Minister. So three categories of ministers are there, and all these three categories of ministers appointed by the suggestion of a Prime Minister only. So under these categories, first is Cabinet Minister. Cabinet Ministers are the trustworthy ministers of a Prime Minister. Only the trustworthy persons appointed by the Prime Minister in the post of a Cabinet, and they hold important portfolios. Portfolios means a department. Different type of departments given by the President to cabinets to perform their duties, like finance department, education department, like that, clear, health department. So they known by their departments only, like home and food ministry and processing. From the Punjab only the cabinet minister is, that is Harsimrat Kaur Badal, who is the Ministry of Food and Processing. As well as we can say that home minister, who is the home minister, Amit Shah. So they can known by their department. We simply say that who is a home minister did that work. So education minister perform these such type of works. Without the name, we know by their department only. Clear? So they perform the important functions, or important functions performed by the ministers, and if they want to give any suggestion to the president, they can give their opinion to prime minister first, and with the help of prime minister only their suggestions reach to president. Clear? So next is under prime minister is the person who prepared the list of all ministers. Clear? Now eligibility. Next is eligibility. A person to be appointed as a minister must be either a member of Lok Sabha or a member of Rajya Sabha. That is a condition given to, that is the eligibility, that a person who want to become a minister of any category, that person must be a member of either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Or we can, or one more condition is there, an outsider also become the minister, but condition is that if he is appointed as a post of minister, within the period of 6 months, that person should be nominated or elected to the Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. It must, that a condition imposed, that person must be the member of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. If that person, if person who is appointed as a post of minister, that person is not not a member of Lok Sabha, not either Lok Sabha, not Rajya Sabha, that is condition imposed to the eligibility, that within 6th month, that person should be elected or nominated to any one of the house. Clear? So that is the eligibility given to the ministers. Next is functioning. Functions, which type of functions performed by them, that we will learn. So with the appointment of ministers only, the council of ministers formed. The prime minister allot one or more department to each category. Means prime minister is the one who give department to different ministers. So that is a right of the prime minister, that he can, if he want, he can give more than one department to a particular minister. So and that person is responsible to perform the duty of that particular department. So first function is related to department. Clear? Department, we can say that portfolios. Clear? Next is the prime minister and the council of minister are directly responsible to the Lok Sabha and can remain in office as long as they can enjoy the majority vote of the members. Clear? Now positions. In which positions is in Lok Sabha, is in prime minister. Position of prime minister. Under the position, we can say that he is the person who is in great position. He is a person who select minister. So first select minister. He can prepare the list. Already we learned. He can prepare the list of ministers. Then he distribute department. Distribute. So that is the next position of prime minister. He preside over the cabinet meeting. Preside by him. Clear? So he is the person who call for meeting all the cabinet for performing the functions. Then he can demand the resignation. He is the person who can demand the resignation of any minister. if he thought that that person is not performing his duty properly, then he can demand the resignation. Then he advised the president on various appointment or various important functions. So he is the person who gives suggestion to the prime minister, prime minister give suggestion to president. Clear? So that is the position of the prime minister. Now last is civil servants. So president, prime minister, council of minister, all these persons form the political executive at the center, and the cabinet formulate all the policies which is executed by the persons, all the policies which is made by the cabinet performed by them, and all these things, if left, that only the civil servant, public servants do their duties if policies which is performed by the cabinet not work out. So whose duty is given to check it? That is a civil servant, was the person who check that all the parties are doing their works properly or not. Clear? Hope the full chapter is understood by you. Now one work is given to you, that trying to find out the name of president, prime minister, cabinet minister, present cabinet ministers also. Clear? Thank you.